equations forming, math is swarming models. The solution caused convolution. Where are we mistaken? But you see, this is free. It's not my stability. In your head, you're computing with or not greater than one, and unstable in your head, you're solving what's in your head, SZR, 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 hey, what's in your head, zombie model, zombie model, zombie, work, try, solve, work, try, solve, work, try, solve, work, try. Another model's breaking, MATLAB's taking over. When the method causes chaos, we must be mistaken. It's the same OTEs since the 1920s. In your head, bifurcating with or not greater than one, and unstable in your head, epidemic. What's in your head, SZR, 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 what's in your head, zombie model, zombie model, zombie, order H, 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 stands for O. But your fate, steady state, it's not my unknown rate. In your head, simulating with or not greater than one, and unstable in your head, epidemic.